Types of products. B series of double column CNC milling machine. BMC series of double column machining center. RV series of 5-plane machining center. VMC series of vertical machining center. Horizontal machining center. CV DV series of vertical machining center. Worldwide recognition, quality assurance, excellent work. Carrying out comprehensive quality control to meet customers' demands and continue to make improvement are part of KAFO's consistent guideline for quality. All of the manufacturing process and information management of KAFO are conducted under a strict quality management system, and they are strictly supervised by quality management professionals to ensure high standards of quality and maintain long-term stability. Based on years of effort and persistence for quality, numerous awards have been granted by its deeply trusted customers. As a result, export quantity steadily grows and breaks records year by year. KAFO has become the guarantee for high quality. Honors, awards and certifications. In 1995, obtained ISO 9002 certification. In 1998, approved to be enlisted on OTC. Capital increased to 500 million NT dollars. In 1999, awarded Rising Star Award from the Ministry of Economic Affairs, MOEA. In 2001, cleared TUV ISO 9001 certification of Germany. In 2005, HMC 500 Horizontal Machining Center was awarded Taiwan Excellence Award 2005. In 2006, HMC 630 Horizontal Machining Center was awarded Taiwan Excellence Award 2006. In 2009, CV6 was awarded Taiwan Excellence Award 2009. In 2010, PV16 High-Speed Double Column Machining Center was awarded Taiwan Excellence Award 2010. In 2011, BMC 2616 Machining Center was awarded Taiwan Excellence Award 2011.